this is going to be my attempt at cooking CutleryLover's baked chicken Parmesan. Sorry. Let's go start the barbie up. Right, this is my barbecue. We don't have a oven here, and this is how we cook. Now you've got to make sure you set your barbecue up. We were cooking pizzas, really good pizzas using these stones, by the way. You got to set your barbie up properly to cook in oven style. So sometimes that can be a grill, but you want something to deflect the heat from your burners. I use tiles. Tiles are really good to do that, and it does take a little bit longer than most things to start heating up, so you just got to start it up before you start cooking. Woof. CutleryLover recommended 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which works out to be about 180 Celsius, give or take. For me, on this barbecue, via experience, that means the two outside burners on low, middle two off, and let that warm up. Sometimes I'll leave this one on just to give it a kick start to warm up on low. Close the top, let it go, and we'll go start making the chicken parmesan. Now the oven, or in my case barbecue, is on. We're going to start. Now he recommended oil along the base, so we'll do that. Bit of paper towel. Spread oil out like so. These are non-stick pans, so it shouldn't matter too much. Alright, next is chili flakes, and decent coating of them. I like my chili. Chop up some garlic. Right, chopped up the garlic. CutleryLover used jarred garlic. Not a fan myself. I try and stick to the fresh whenever possible. And I always use way too much of it. It's actually fairly good for you, which is surprising. Most people don't know. Garlic does really good things for your colds. You may ask what knives I've got. Zwelling, I think. I'm not sure. Henkel's, made in Germany. Very nice knives. Keep them sharp. Right, chicken. Nice breast piece here. Bit big for a natural chicken though. Now I'll just chop this up and put it in. I might fast forward this because this could be kind of boring for you. Chicken's filleted. I don't have any Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna try Gouda. Or at least I hope it's Gouda. Yeah, it tastes like Gouda. And I also don't have a, what do you call it, grater. So put in his own homemade sauce. I don't have that. I've got this. Oven roasted garlic with wine. Put that on. See how it goes. Spoon. Put all of it on. I'm not going to use it for anything else. Get it right in there. Maybe even under some of those breasts that I double stacked. It's alright. My barbie / oven will fix it right up. Next, more cheese. It's good sauce. Messy too. Now, we'll have more Gouda cheese. These croutons, so I'm going to wing it. Maybe hope that this soaks up a little bit of the juices in the sauce in my version of breadcrumbs, and see what happens. My cooking is very wing it and see style, so you'll find out as I find out, as I've never done this before. That combined with some light mozzarella cheese. Mash that up, to the top. It's done. Got some herbs. Actually no, before I do the herbs I'll put the Tabasco on. CutleryLover didn't put Tabasco, but I thought, I got this big jar from Costco, which is a new thing for us down here, down under. Bit of Tabasco on there. Some more chili flakes. And finish off with the herbs that he recommended. Decent coating of them, make it look nice, I suppose. Don't know, Italian herbs. Alright, time to put it on the Barbie. It'll go on there for Barbie oven, sorry. It'll go on there for 30 minutes, I think he said. Alright, time to go in the old Barbie oven. Very Australian, isn't it? You can see now it's about 200 degrees. And I just turned that extra burner I had off and put it down there. Now, the reason I have this grate here is because if that was on there, then it'd be transferring the heat straight on, and therefore cooking the bottom of your base, and then you get burnt pizzas. That's how I found out. Okay, so low, off, off, low, and there's the temperature there, about 200 degrees. 180 is what you want. Alright, come back in 30 minutes. It's all cooked up. Try and get the light on there. Doesn't help. Looks delicious anyway. Smells delicious too. Alright, serve her up and we'll see what she tastes like. Just get a small serving. Alright, here we go. Knife and fork. Light. Lots of cheese, lots of sauce. Chicken's cooked right through. Yep. Let's see what she tastes. Get the best possible bite. Watch me burn myself. That's good. Oh shit, that's good. Ooh, nice kick to it too. It's a ripper. Yeah, stay safe everyone, and highly recommend this meal made by CutleryLover.